Okay, one last piece to use to measure my my 1/4 inch drill blank here. Using the micrometer, you can see it's calibrated to 0. And by the way, the calibration of these micrometers is relatively simple. In the box will come a little wrench like this. So I'm just going to roll this back. So you would check it either by making sure the anvil and spindle are clean first, and then just lightly go in. Use the ratchet. It lines up perfectly on the line, right? Now, if that line didn't line up perfectly, that sleeve is actually pressed on, so you can move that. And what you would do is you would roll around here. You see this little hole? The tool fits into that hole like that, and you would just rotate the sleeve ever so slightly till you get the lines on the datum to line up. The datum line being on the sleeve and the 0 on the thimble. And that's all there is to calibrating it. Making sure it's clean first, and then getting the lines zeroed up. Okay, so I'm going to measure this shaft that we used on the other measurements, and I'm just going to thread this out. And again, this is a thing where you have to make sure you're square on the surface and you're using the right amount of pressure. And in this case, we can use, at least for you guys, you're going to start off by using the ratchet. These are all pretty new and reliable. Well, I mean, this is a really good quality one. The ones you're going to use are a little bit different, but the same idea. They're all new and haven't been used that much. So we're going to measure this shaft, and you're going to see here that, look at that. This shaft is actually not quite 250 thou, or 1/4. It is. I'm gonna roll this around this way so it doesn't go out of balance. Well, we saw that it was past the halfway mark. Oh, it wasn't past the halfway mark. What are we at? 249 thou and 3/10 thousandths. See that? There's the 3, lines up perfectly with the 5 marker. Excuse me.